The main purpose working as an online programmer is to provide connectivity where people can connect with each other and have an experience which is never ending.
The online gimmick is, the shared world illusion, making it believable that, 2 people, 3 people, and players are basically experiencing the same thing at roughly the same time.
You have to build systems that do not just work for 1 player or 5 or 10, but for hundreds of thousands, millions even.
A lot of it is simple to describe, but there's hidden complexities for even the trivial things.
We deal with heavy architectures made of multiple components which interact with each other.
We are responsible for creating stable and reliable services which have huge impact on the quality of the game.
I'm responsible for the development and the maintenance of all the online services which touch Rainbow Six Siege. Services like matchmaking, like skill rating and skill ranking, the online store.
Moi, je suis plus spécialisée sur l'aspect social des choses. Un joueur, il joue son expérience, mais il a quand même une connaissance de la communauté. Il sait qu'il n'est pas tout seul.
So an online programmer has to be transversal, but definitely with expertise in different areas, whether it's networking, security, server, but you need to know a lot of programming languages to be able to work transversely.
On travaille dans le moteur du jeu qui est souvent en C++, mais on a aussi une partie de nos features, une partie du gameplay en fait du jeu qui peuvent être codés en Python, en Node.js, donc c'est vraiment transversal.
You get a chance to work with game designers, gameplay programmers to understand the online needs of the game. And once you understand what is needed, you start working on designing the network flows and the architecture.
C'est vraiment une symbiose entre ce que les designers vont penser, les idées qu'ils vont avoir, et en même temps le côté technique que moi j'apporte pour essayer de faire en sorte qu'avec des légers tweaks, on va rendre une feature sociale, fun et puis réalisable.
A lot of challenge comes from the complex network environment. There are always unexpected things and things that are out of reach.
We do all this testing on the game, but when it comes out, within the first couple of days, the consumers have tested the game. They've run through the code base more than we have in years during development.
It's a reward to see when things are working, when you are through that phase. Having passed those experiences, learning all these things gives you the pleasure of getting where you are at.
You can come from the financial world, for example, and you would of course be dealing with extremely complex online services. I think that our distinguishing factors is that the online services that we develop are just plain more fun.
Working at Ubisoft gives you an opportunity to work on big IP games where you can have a lot of traffic. And that's the part that is a dream for an online programmer.
Being able to connect players from the technical side of things, it's exhilarating and it's interesting.